Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to save web pages as PDFs in Opera on Windows 11 or 10. To save web pages as a PDF in Opera on Windows 11 or 10, first, visit the web page in Opera you want to save as a PDF. Then, press Ctrl+P to launch the print dialog box. Next, select Save as PDF in the Destination drop-down menu. Now, click the Save button. Once you click the Save button, it will prompt a location where you want to save the PDF. Select the location. Write the name of the file. At last, click on the Save button. When you're done, you will get a PDF document on your PC of the opened web page. You can open the newly created PDF using the Opera browser itself or any PDF reader tool you prefer to use. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.